Hello guys, so I'm gonna explain how my OC got her jacket. So first, when it all started, when she was 2 years old, she had a friend. Well, it's still not revealed, okay? So she had a best friend, that's her best friend. Her friend since grade, since she was 2 years old. So when after after her best friend died, she gave her a jacket my first before she died because her best friend know that she's going to die soon. And when after she died, my OC, which is Ashley, her name, she she cut her own hair. That's why is short. So at first, her hair is short, but actually it's long before her best friend died. So she always wore the jacket around her. Sometimes not, sometimes she wears it. So yeah, so that's how my OC got her jacket.